go through the entire street.
That, oh my god, they heard that shit at Macy's.
Do it.
No, I'm gonna go.
I can hand sanitize the pole for you.
No, that's too slippery. No traction.
All right, go, Brandon.
Oh no.
That means you do it.
Do it.
Okay. You're gonna fuck it up, but all right. See, it's not thin enough. You need to like. Okay.
If you break that shit, I'm gonna laugh.
It's so sticky. It's so sticky.
Okay.
It's shaking so much, and it's making me really
It
anxious.
doesn't depend on the pole. It's like the standard. It's the.
Oh my god.
Go.
Be careful.
I'm not even sliding.
Rain.
There's so much friction on my ass.
Oh my lord. Rain. Hey babes, what are we about to do at Lafayette Park?
Swing. Playing on the playground and getting dizzy as fuck. Meet children, pretty much. Let's do some dumb shit.
Dumb shit, I love it.
Shit.
Absolutely. What are we about to do, babe? Okay. So, I forgot to record anything at Lafayette Park. Why? Because I fell asleep.
And there's a cart.
And there's a cart. There's a cart. But now I'm going to do a photo shoot and also run some errands at Target
And get some
with
food.
my friends and get some food. Say hi, Rose.
Hi. I have a horrible voice. My bad.
So how are we about to do this, my guy?
Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna go to a bunch of different places in San Fran and just check out the different scenery. I think we're gonna probably do some pictures here, this beautiful art gallery, because I'm gonna call it an art gallery. It's fucking gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I love the colors, picture frames.
It would be good if you got up in the fountain thing and sat on one of the things and kind of did like that sideways thing with your hand in your hair.
Yeah. I normally never do my hair this way, so I'm like,
It's a good look, dude.
seriously?
Literally.
Yeah. It looks spicy.
Like, I put it up in a ponytail like this, like, you know, Bam Bam or something like that. So shit. And I took it out, and it's like, boom.
I've had that haircut before. Literally in the morning, just take a fuck ton of mousse, run it through once, zhuzh it up, and then it'll be like that for the day.
I got moose.
She has
Okay,
mousse.
I left all my mousse at home.
She has mousse. All right, babes. Let's get to photo taking.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting one more shot, and then we're going to Target, as the cool kids say. You grooving?
I'm grooving.
You're grooving and moving? Give it a shimmy and a shake? Hell yeah. You look so good! Yes!
That's like,
Oof, absolutely. basement of my dorm, and everyone's laughing and having a good time. Hi, Rose. And for now, ooh, I just got a really, I got a really sus text just now. Oh. But hey, it's the end of the video, I think. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now. So goodbye for now. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love.